morning, friends. I hope you had a good weekend. So, today's book is related to our science experiment that we did on Friday. Who remembers what our science experiment was on Friday? I know it's been 2 days. Yes. Thank you so much for watching the video. So it was about washing your hands with soap and how important it is for you to wash your hands with soap, right? Because soap contains a fat that germs don't like. So once the germs touch the fat that's in the soap, they will move away from your hands and go down the drain. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching that video. So today's book, I do want to apologize. My printer was running out of ink. So the pictures might be kind of funny in color, but you can still see the drawings, okay? All right. So my book is called Coughing, Sneezing, and More. And it's by Tuchel. Okay? So, what do you think that little boy is doing? Sneezing. Yes, he is sneezing. All right, let's find out what this book is about. If it's called Coughing, Sneezing, and More. Let's find out. All people cough and sneeze. So everybody coughs and everybody sneezes. Coughing and sneezing can spread droplets and germs. So these things right here, these are germs. Okay? I try my best to cough and sneeze into my elbow. Do you see how they're using their elbow to sneeze and to cough? That way those germs and droplets don't go all over the place. Wearing a mask can also help catch the droplets. If I'm not wearing a mask, coughing into my elbow is best. So if you're not wearing a mask on your face, you can cough into your elbow, and that will stop the spread of droplets and germs. I should keep my fingers out of my nose. Fingers and noses can spread germs. Why do you think having your finger in your nose can spread germs? Let's think about that for a second. Why, if I put my finger in my nose, how will that spread germs? What do we use our hands for? Yes, we use our hands to touch things. I'm touching my book. I'm touching my face. I'm touching Pete and Carl. If I put my finger in my nose, my finger now has germs. Now, what if I forget to wash my hands and I touch Pete? Yes, now Pete has my germs. And that's what we're trying to prevent, right? We are trying to prevent Pete from getting my germs. So that's why my fingers, your fingers, should never be in your nose and my nose. Okay? And you should always wash your hands. Instead, I can use a tissue to clean my nose. I can throw the tissue away when I'm done. You see how he's using, or she's using, a tissue to wipe her nose. You see how germs are on that tissue? And then they throw it away in the trash bin. Then I should wash my hands or use hand sanitizer to clean my hands. Hand sanitizer is really good, but if you have a sink available for you with soap, it is best to wash your hands, okay? It's best to wash your hands with water and soap. Another way to stop the spread of germs is by not touching my eyes, nose, mouth of face. So make sure that you don't put your fingers in your mouth, in your nose, or in your eyes, or even on your face, okay? Because germs can easily go into your body by you touching your face. Because what germs want is an opening. An opening would be your nose. You see how your nose has 2 openings? Your mouth is 1, and even your ears, you have 2. Okay, so germs can go into your body like that and make you sick. So it's very important you try not to touch your face. If I am wearing a mask, it is best to touch it only when I am putting it on or taking it off. So it's very important for you to wear a mask, but make sure you don't touch your mask. Okay, you just leave it on. That way the germs won't go into your body through your nose, your mouth, okay? Keeping toys and school supplies out of my mouth will also help stop the spread of germs. So when you go to school, make sure you don't put those blocks in your mouth or a pencil or any toys in your mouth, okay? Those things shouldn't belong in your mouth. They should only be played with. My teachers and family will be so proud of me when I do my part to help stop the spread of germs. So what we're trying to do is avoid the spread of germs. Okay? That way you can be safe and healthy, I can be safe and healthy, your families can be safe and healthy. Okay, so this is why it's very important for you to wash your hands with soap as much as you can. After you go to the bathroom, after you play outside, before you eat your lunch, a breakfast, lunch, and dinner, after you eat your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, after you play with some toys. Okay, it's very important for you to wash your hands regularly, often. All right? Okay, my friends. I hope you've been enjoying the videos that your teachers have been posting on the Facebook page. Yes, I've been enjoying watching them. I think they're doing a very good job, and they're doing it for you. Yes, they're working really hard on making those videos for you. Okay? So I will see you back again tomorrow with an activity. All right? So please, my friends, remember to wash your hands. Cover your cough, cover your sneeze if you don't have a tissue. And stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.